This video is for grade 8. It's number 24 in your short answer package. What I've done is I've just quickly rewritten the question so that I have enough space to work underneath. So I just recopied A over here. So I was asked in class today if I could make a video about this. So what we would do first is distributive property here. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Minus 8. I'll just rewrite everything for right now. Okay, now I'm going to start to, well, I would reduce this right away so I don't have to move too many numbers. So I would combine the negative 4 and negative 8 here. So this is 6x minus 12 equals negative 2x. Sorry, I'll stop moving this paper so much. Plus 4. Okay, so I know that you guys like to move all of it. You have to move the x's to one side. I know you like to move them onto this side, so it becomes 6x. Since this is a negative 2x, when we bring it to the other side, it's plus 2x equals, we have a 4 left over here, and when you bring the 12 to the other side, it becomes positive 12. So you have 8x equals 16. Last thing is to divide by 8 on both sides, and x is equal to 2. Okay, so for A, x equals 2. I think, though, that the problem was more with B. So when you have a question like B, the first thing that I would evaluate right away is if I can divide the numbers on top by 2. So if I'm able to divide these both by 2, I will divide each of them by 2 right away. If for whatever reason they're not divisible by 2, you could also multiply the 2 across to the 5x minus 9, and then you would be doing distributive property over there. So I'm going to do 6x divided by 2 is 3x. Negative 4 divided by 2 is minus 2 equals 5x minus 9. So I'm going to collect my x's on this side this time, just to show you again that it doesn't matter which side you put them on. So if I subtract 3x over here minus 3x, I'm left with 2x on this side. And if you want to bring the number to the other side, so we had negative 9, so to get rid of that, I'm going to do plus 9. So negative 2 plus 9. I think this is where we were having the problem in class. People were putting down 11, but when you have negative 2 and you add 9, that becomes positive 7. Okay, and it's quite possible for you to have an answer like this that is not going to come out to a whole number. So the last thing you have to do is divide by 2, divided by 2. So your x equals 7 over 2. And that was my answer, 7 over 2. You could write it as a fraction, or you could write it as a decimal. So 7 divided by 2 would be 3.5.